In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to use polling in Microsoft Teams. If you're looking to gather feedback, make group decisions, or simply engage with your team, integrating polls into your team's experience is a fantastic way to do so. Let's dive right in and explore how you can create and distribute polls to enhance your team interactions. To get started, you'll first need to sign in to Microsoft Teams. Once you've opened Teams, ensure that you're logged into the right account that has access to the group you want to work with. This foundational step ensures that all your subsequent actions are directed within the correct environment. After signing in, navigate to the specific group where you wish to conduct the poll. You can find this group either from the list on your dashboard or by searching for it. Once there, look for the plus icon, usually at the top of the screen. Clicking this icon allows you to explore additional functionalities and apps that you can integrate within the group. Think of it as your gateway to expanding your team's capabilities. Next, from the options available, select Polls. This will lead you to the section where you can create a new poll. This function is integrated to help you easily incorporate surveys or feedback forms directly within your team's environment. Now, you might be wondering how to structure the poll content. Begin by typing a clear and concise description. This description should provide your team members with context about the poll. It's like setting the stage for the responses you are seeking. The more specific, the better. Following this, edit the options for your poll. You have the flexibility to add multiple options, allowing for a range of responses. Consider what information you're seeking and format your poll accordingly. For instance, if you're deciding on a meeting time, list the possible times as options. If you're seeking opinions on a project direction, provide clear choices that reflect potential paths forward. Before sending the poll out to your group, take a moment to preview it. By clicking on preview, you can see exactly how your poll will appear to your team members. This step is crucial as it allows you to catch any errors or make final tweaks to improve clarity. It's your last chance for ensuring everything looks and feels just right. Once you're satisfied with the setup, the final step is to click on Send. This action will distribute your poll to all members of the group, enabling them to cast their votes, and just like that, you've successfully crafted and shared a poll within Microsoft Teams. This process not only allows you to collect valuable input from your team, but also fosters an interactive and engaging environment. Remember, the more you practice, the more naturally these steps will become. Happy polling, and enjoy all the insightful feedback you'll gather.